Hey guys, today I'm going to do an unboxing video of the Samsung N700. These are noise cancellation. I got these headphones because I had some points when I purchased my Samsung Galaxy S10 directly from their website. So I was able to win them by spinning a wheel so I could get a chance to win these headphones. And after like my 10th try, I was able to get them. So I won these headphones. I have not opened them. I got them like about, I believe, 3 weeks ago or 2, and I have not opened them. Today I'll do it. Again, I was so excited because, you know, I never thought that I was actually gonna win it, but I had around 1,400 points from when I bought the Samsung S10, and that's how I was able to get these, win them. So here's the box. So we got, you know, the first box, and now we have another box. And wow, okay, so you open it like from the side, and I believe this is the carrying case is very sturdy. There's a soft feeling just so that it doesn't damage the case. Okay, this is very sturdy. It is a carrying pouch. It comes with the, I guess, a manual. Okay, and then I'll go ahead. This is very nice. I'll go ahead and unzip them. Oh yeah. I guess this is so that you could separate the pieces. They're very nice. I really like them. Okay, so you adjust them from this side. Oh wow. It has, I guess, like a size. I will try them out. I believe I have to charge them first, and I guess I can upload a video how they sound once I use them for a while, and the battery, how long it lasts. Okay, well that was it. That's all it has. I don't see a charger. It's probably in here. Oh yeah, there it is. Here's the charging port, and the auxiliary cable, and the volume control. And here's the charging port. It's very nice. It's like you can't really see it until you lift this. Oh yeah, there's an accessories right there. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys have these headphones, or if you just want me to comment down below if I guess they're worth purchasing. I'll leave the link down below of where you can redeem points if you have ever thought of purchasing anything from Samsung.com. That way you can earn points to be entered to win stuff from them. Okay, thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Bye.